Hey guys, for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to enter TikTok in photo mode. This means you'll be able to post pictures instead of videos, which I think is pretty convenient. All the steps shown in this video are simple and easy. Don't skip or else you get confused. The first thing you'll want to do is to open TikTok. Once you're here, click on the plus sign to start making the video. You will see 3 options: 15 seconds, 60 seconds, and 3 minutes. This will determine how long the photos are going to be shown, as it automatically fits and assigns the amount of time per picture. Once you've chosen an option, click on this upload icon. It will take you to your photos. You'll want to choose at least a few photos to make a slideshow, but first, click on Select Multiple. It'll take you to the edit section of this process. You can either add music or crop the photos however you like. There are lots of options for you to get creative with the editing and the styling. After you've finished, just click Next, and it will take you to the final stage. Here, you can add a caption or description of your video, and you can also switch the video to either private or public. Tap on Post and you're all done. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.